With AGILITY3, be absolutely connected at all times. AGILITY3 is a wireless alarm system designed for the home using detectors, which are connected to a central panel. But AGILITY3 provides more. It's a smart alarm system that uses passive infrared (PIR) cameras, which can sense and record movement inside the home. There is also a server called the Risco Cloud and a smartphone application. Here's how it works. AGILITY3 provides a three-dimensional wireless solution that enables you to connect to your home from anywhere. So if the PIR camera senses an unusual movement in your home, it will send you a message from the Risco Cloud directly to your smartphone. You can view the images taken directly on your smartphone. All images are stored on the Risco Cloud server. So if it's a real burglary, it has been recorded. You decide. You're in control. AGILITY3. Be absolutely connected.